How to add a hidden Wi-Fi network on Windows 10. First of all, open Windows menu from the bottom and then click on the gear icon to open settings. Once you are inside the settings, from here find and click on network and internet. Now make sure you are on the Wi-Fi section and then click on manage none networks. On this screen, click on add a new network option. A new window will pop up where you need to enter the network details. First, enter the network name. After that, open the security type menu and from here select one accordingly. Now enter the security key or password of the Wi-Fi network. Also, make sure to checkmark the option connect automatically and then enable connect even this network is not broadcasting. Once everything is done, click on save. And that's it. This is how you can add hidden Wi-Fi network on Windows 10. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.